So today, working on the fuel system, getting ready to drop the gas tank. Took the gas cap off, and man, you can smell bad gas. It's, who knows? I mean, I had that running a couple years ago. I had put some fresh fuel in it, but I've never dropped the tank on it before. So this time we're going to drop the tank and see what's going on. Doesn't look like this is going to be that hard to get off there. I plan to, that's a thick metal right there. I plan to go ahead and pull this out. Oop, don't want to drop that. And clean up the hose, put new rubber. Looks like it used to, someone had put this in there. I noticed when I was underneath hitting the tube. And I think we'll get our first inkling of the original color of the car, which is black. But yeah, this was moving around pretty good, so that's not gonna fly when I put the car back together. But I'm gonna take this off. They've got a lot of rust down inside here, and get it all cleaned up and get some fuel. So I can't get that fuel, that clamp off, so we're gonna have to take it off right here. Whew, the varnish is bad. Hopefully I can get it off. Then I can drop the fuel tube out and proceed to take the straps off the tank. There we go. Slide that off. Ooh. Oh. And see, that's what I'm talking about. Now, if I'd put fuel inside this car, all that would have went inside the tank, and that's pretty gross. So now, yeah, a lot of rust, a lot of nastiness. So let's see if I can drop. See if I can drop this tube out of here. I'm seeing two like bolts. Oh, they're screws. Oh, I'm gonna have to remove that, and that's probably not gonna come off. So I'm gonna stop the video now. So you can even see it's bad through there. But the tank looks fairly good. Needs a really good cleaning. And let's see. Up here doesn't look too bad either. Whew. Alright, try to get this thing out. Alright, so I got the tank out. I couldn't get that screw off, so I just cut the ground wire, and I'll just make a new ground wire. I did find one thing that was broken. Looks like it's been repaired before. I can't imagine that being factory. There's the vent tube going up to the filler. But overall, the tank looks pretty good. Need to try to see if I can get the drain plug. I'm sure that bolt comes out. But a little bit of spit and polish, this thing will look good again. And then while I'm underneath there, I'll clean up and undercoat where the gas tank goes. Alright, just took some fuel out of it, and that's some bad fuel. Got a whole bunch of crap down in there too. Gonna finish emptying this and then try to get the sending unit out so I can see if I need a new sock. Funny thing is, I went on eBay and I was looking at these, and you know, of course on a Hearse I have no clue, but for 62 Cadillac it was showing the tubes were going here, and that is not the case, surprisingly. So gonna get that off, look inside of it, and then go ahead and wash this thing up. Okay, so got the gas tank out. I took the fuel gauge unit out, and looks like I'm gonna have to rebuild this. I don't even know if I can find one. The gasket's bad, so gonna have to rebuild this one. don't even know what it looks like inside there, but I'm gonna stick my phone. I don't even think I can get my phone down in there, but that's, no, that ain't going, no way. Let's turn the light on. There we go. Well, yeah, that's nasty. Well, I went and washed it. It looks a little better. The inside, there's still a lot of rust inside. So I hope everybody enjoyed my video today about taking the gas tank out of the 62, and man, was it dirty. Whew. I mean, I've pulled a lot of gas tanks in my time, but this would have to be the worst one I've ever done. So remember, like, subscribe. I've got more videos coming of the restoration of the 62. Also, again, make sure to check out Simply Next to New on Facebook. Check out Paranormal Fear Haunted House on Facebook. And check out CC Spook Central. But until next time, welcome to my universe and my projects.